openers, well, they are going to be absolutely crucial to their success. Cricket Victoria, well, they have a mix of youth and experience, and to me, they've been the bravest, they've been the boldest side, and have showed great resilience then, winning 3 last night. And a miss. There was a noise, I think it was the ground that he hit on the way cover on the edge of the circle. Well, he could have had a slip in. You might argue he could have had a slip in with the way the ball is swinging and the way Stephen Taylor looks as if he's just struggling to line that up. Power play. Yeah, have to go. Finally, it was a little fuller, it was a little wider, and Stephen Taylor will feel a whole lot better.
He's had enough.
Finally a bit of aggression, and finally the ball goes all the way. They have just taken their time. They have the best part of an over to go of the power play.
We got another boundary here. Just leaning into that. It was very full, and he's played at square of the wicket on the offside. And again, there you go. So in just that final over of the power play, they now started extending those arms. Just found the gap. I'll go to the boundary again. So runs are now coming in thick and fast in the final over of the power play.
Yeah, a little bit of better intent, a little bit less certainty on the release of the ball.
Gone, beaten the keeper as well, down to the boundary, over his head. 50 partnership this, both these openers taking a little longer than you. That'll be 4 more. That's not really the line Corey would be happy with. And only he himself is to be blamed. He's got enough, yes. Soumya Sarkar taking the chance, down on one knee. Edge, a boundary. So, one way or the other, the run rate is 7.89, and they've...
Soumya Sarkar answers the call with a 6 off the last ball. That means 12 from the 11th. Oh, what a shot. He came leg side and just whipped it. Beautiful ball to finish the over. 11 from it and 12 are gone. The right is now 99 without...
It's an asset.
Well, can Stephen Taylor get into the mix? Indeed he can. It's his first half century for the Global Super League 2024. Whacked. Massive down the ground. 6 of them. Getting a move on now, Stephen Taylor. Grip. Because he's ready to go. And another one sails out the park. It's a moment here. Run. Oh yeah, he's teeing off here. And caught. Well, it was time to go. And finally the breakthrough for Cricket Victoria. Chipped down and dispatched into the off. 4 more.
Playing like a true number 3 batter, playing to the city.
Yeah! How's that? And it's given. Berthazul with his first for the evening.
Oh, gift of a ball. Full toss, low full toss. You got to put them away.
Song away. 4 more, and the left hand is causing a few problems here for...
Oh, he's got hold of that. That's another massive hit. Make that 18 in the over. That's 4 more. Running out of answers at the moment, the bowling unit. Ooh, that's probably slipped out of his hands. Is he going to ask a question from the square leg umpire? I think he's given the ball a charge, so he might not. Yeah, it's a good start for him. Dragging it all the way onto the onside. Flat, straight, down the ground, boundary. Just giving himself room, a horizontal bat. That's a slow one, but beats Edwards. They've gone through for a bye, and that'll be it. So a single of the last ball of the innings. and that shows 178 for 3.
We're asked to field first by Rangpur riders who came from nowhere to find themselves in the final against the most successful team. That won't help keep the ball dry. Power play. Oh, well, it doesn't matter how far back they are, that has gone. Blake McDonald has opened his shoulders and deposited it a long way back. And that'll find the boundary. And that's the best possible start for Cricket Victoria.
Just building.
Slow ball again. Head in hands from Chap. Well, nailed. That's been picked up beautifully. One bounce four.
And game on.
Oh, it's gone straight up. It's gone straight up in the air. This should be the end. It is. Harmy pouches it safely. Camrell takes first blood, and that's a big...
Wrong the ball.
Didn't take him long. Doesn't come out of the middle of the bat, but will make it to the boundary.
Nice standard with the bat.
Shot. Scorched it past the man inside the circle at mid-on.
To be in the finals, and any good team chasing 117 and you can't get it, I'm sorry. So you will see these youngsters. You will see these youngsters. Sorry about that, I went ball watching. You will see.
We defined this Cricket Victoria side, and President, I'm not saying it just because you're here, but it's been such an exciting tournament. I mean, from the second game we had a super...
The cricketing standards were met. So this is a tournament. This is a tournament that would only grow.
He's got some bat onto that, so not letting anything go. Could have been a wide, but why not help it on its way? 4 more to the... He's got nowhere near that. He's gone right through that gate into the middle stump, Krishnamurthy. Split it straight down the throat to mid-wicket. That is again a big wicket. Wills and his problems with the bat continue in the tournament.
See that and plenty more. That's why he's such an important player for them at this stage of the game.
He gets it past that square leg fielder. And it's not just about sweeping, it's about a solid connection. There you go again. Is there a chance? That's a good catch taken, Taylor. But Taylor has taken a very good catch. It was dying on him. It was dipping on him. He kept his eyes on the ball. And they've got a big wicket here.
Well, sometimes your strength is your weakness.
Oh dear. Simple as you like. Another one gone and the run forward.
CPL.
Oh, it's come down to give it lows and missed it. Stumped Nur Hossain and the Rangpur riders are very much on top now. Whoa! The waxing moan flying high above the action here. And the Bangladesh are...
Well, they'll want this one to run away. Zach Chappell in chase.
They know that. Has he got enough on this? Absolutely not. And that man, Stephen Taylor, you cannot keep him out of the game. Save.
Very good. Superb from Dominic Driggs. Seems to be... Driggs aiming big and falling short. So there's another wicket for Harmeed. The Holdings. Big stroke. And there is the moment, the winning moment. Champions crowned and history created. Rangpur Riders reign supreme in the ExxonMobil Guyana Global Super League. Victors in the inaugural tournament and a win by 56 runs.
Yeah, and so